Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing of a Seiko SBBN031. A friend of mine just purchased this brand new from Amazon, and he said that I could do an unboxing video, which is really generous. And I'm actually very excited to see this watch. It's got some very cool heritage behind it. Okay. It's not in English, but I take it that's the warranty card. It says guarantee on it. Another piece of warranty card. The instruction manual. I'm not sure who the reseller was or the exact price that he paid, but it was just off of Amazon as new. Okay, so that's the box. Seiko Prospex. Okay. Marine Master Professional, 300 meters. Judging by the paperwork and the labels on the box, it's an import. But he said he got it substantially cheaper than normal retail price. So there's nothing wrong with that. That is a very cool watch. Very cool. I like the guards. If you read up and watch some videos, there's a lot of heritage behind this watch. It's a really cool watch. So you charge it up a little bit. It's supposed to have a very good lume on it. Well, yeah, I'm sure you can't see that on camera, but I'll try and take some pictures and show how good the lume is. Still got all the plastic on it and everything. So, got a nice tight clasp. Alright, so I will take some still pictures and put them at the end of the video. And there you have it. My friend Nick let me take pictures of this watch before he even wore it. It's pretty cool. Alright, thank you for watching.